Common English verbs list. Listen, read, repeat. Be happy. Have a good day. Do the work. Say hello. Get to work. Make some food. Go for a drive. Know, I know a lot. Take a number. See, I can see. Come to me. Think, I think so. Look at that. Want, I want to eat. Give me a gift. Use a fork. Find the answer. Tell your story. Ask a question. Work, I work hard. You seem lost. Feel, I feel happy. Try again. Leave, I will leave. Call me. Common English nouns list. Listen, read, repeat. Person, this person is happy. Man, the man is nice. Woman, the woman is young. Child, the child is small. Time, the time is 7 a.m. Year, the year is 2019. Week, a week is 7 days. Day, this is a good day. Way, come this way. Thing, what is that thing? World, the world is big. Life is good. Hand, my hand is clean. Part, I like this part. My eye is open. Place, this is the place. Work, my work is important. Case, USCIS case number. Point, I see your point. Government, I like the government. Company, her company is new. Number, this is my number. Group, the group is big. Problem, I have a problem. Fact, that is a fact. Common English adjectives list. Listen, read, repeat. Good work. New, it is a new day. First, this is my first job. Last, that was last time. Long, it was a long way. Great, she is a great boss. Little, I have a little car. Own, I want my own home. Other, I like the other place. Old, it is an old house. Right, this is the right number. Big, it was a big group. High, it is a high number. Different, I have a different time. Small, it is a small world. Large, that is a large place. Next, that is next week. Early, I like early lunch. Young, he is a young child. Important, She is an important person. Few. Give me a few days. Public. It is a public place. Bad. You have a bad problem. Same. Come at the same time. Able. I am able to work. Other common English vocabulary words. Listen, read, repeat. The child. And, man and woman. A day. That place. I like you. It is nice. Not my place. He is nice. As a child. You are nice. This is the place. But not today. His car. They are here. Her mother. She is nice. Or yes or no. An eye for an eye. I will call you. My first job. One at a time. All the same. I would like that. There is a place to stay. Their home is nice. Common English prepositions. Listen, read, repeat. To. Go to work. Of. A lot of people. In. Get in place. For. Come for the day. On. Be on time. With. Stay with my child. At. Good at work. By. Wait by the car. From. I am from New York. Up. Go up to the place. About. Tell me about life. Into. Come into work soon. Over. Go over there next week. After. Call me after work.